We are at it again on XAUUSD. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. Sniper entry on XAUUSD. So you can see here now. This is a XAUUSD gold 1 minute time frame. So this strategy works well on both 1 minute and 5 minutes time frame. So in this video I'm going to show you how I got this particular sniper entry and this particular big move. You can see it over here. You can see the move going up. This is just like 1 hour or 2 hours ago. I got this particular beautiful and powerful move. So if this is your first time visiting this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video like this, you get notified. So without wasting time, let's get started. So before we get started, I want you to read this particular disclaimer. The content in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a financial or investment advice. Then you read through, just take your time and read it. And this risk warning: the trades shown in this video are for demonstration purposes only and should not be seen as a recommendation to buy or sell any financial market. So once you are done reading this particular disclaimer, then we come back to the chart. Remember, this is the scalping strategy. You can also day trade it, or you can also use this particular strategy for those of you that are into swing trading. So it works well on all trading strategy, all trading type. So if you're a swing trader, you can use the particular strategy. If you're a day trader, you can use this particular strategy. If you're a scalper, you can also use this particular strategy. If you want to flip your account, you can also use this particular strategy. So before we start, I want to let you know that I have a private Telegram channel, VIP Telegram channel, where I drop daily signals, Forex educational materials, and the Forex mentorship content. So if you're interested in leveling up your Forex trading game, then this particular Telegram channel is for you. It's not free to join, but if you're interested, so you will send me a message. The link to contact me on Telegram will be in my bio, or in this video description, or in this video pinned comment, so you can contact me. So you can see that in this particular trade I have almost 5 trades. So let me just show you. You can see I'm zooming it out so you can see the trades I have there. I have up to 5 trades stacked up there, and each of this particular trade is on 8k. So 8k. So if you can check the 8k, so I think currently is on 10k. Some of them is in 10k. Just let's say roughly 8k by 5. So 8k by 5. You can see the current profit. So I don't usually show my profit chart because of some policies on the social media. So but you get what I mean. So I will show you how I got this particular entry. So I got this particular entry in 1 minute time frame, but the confirmation was 5 minute time frame. So let's go to 5 minute time frame. Let me show you what I mean by the confirmation. So 5 minute time frame here, but okay, let's go back to 1 minute. I will circle this particular zone. So in 1 minute time frame, I saw the trade over here. So let's go to 5 minutes time frame and see what market did same place. So I saw the trade. So you can see in 5 minutes time frame, I confirmed the move, the momentum market was in a up trend pressure. So I have to take the trade in 1 minute. So but if you have been following my channel lately, you notice that I trade mostly 1 minute time frame. because I'm a scalper. So scalpers, we don't waste time in the market. So but this particular trade, I decided to confirm it in a 5 minutes time frame. But here is the entry criteria. So let me just zoom out my my chart. So I want to zoom out my chart. So now look at what happened there. Let me delete this particular thing, then let me show you what happened there. So I'm going to grab my line tool, and I'm going to draw a line here. So here now I want to show you something. In this particular place, there is one touch point, two touch points, three touch points. These are resistance zone. Now here now there is a touch point here, and this is a support. So you see we have one, two, three resistance, and here now the resistance is turning into support, which is one support. So when you have three resistance zone and one support, you've seen that there's going to be a strong pull up, okay, because the resistance is turning to support. So immediately I checked my stochastic oscillator, and in this stochastic oscillator there is a crossover, and it's coming in the 20 line. So I waited for it to come inside the 20 line, then I started stacking up trades. So that is how I got this particular entry. Remember, in my tutorial, I always emphasize on knowing about market structure, because you cannot only depend on indicator alone to enter your trades. You need indicator and the combination with a market structure to be able to get a perfect entry. So in my own trade, I combine both the indicator and the market structure to get a perfect trade, and you can see that it played out very, very well. So I'm going to show you this indicator settings, and also the entry criteria still remains whenever market is above this whenever market is let me show you. Whenever market is above this is 80 line, you can see it here, and this is 20 line, you can see it here, 20 line. So whenever market is above the 80 line and it's coming in, you are looking for sell position. Whenever it is below the 20 line and it's going in, you're looking for buy position. Now, but before then, you need to check your charts. So that is why your mobile phone should be in landscape mode. You need to know what market is doing. So in my own case, the market has been in a downtrend. So first of all, I'm going to grab my trend line tool. Sorry, let me delete it. So I'll grab my trend line tool. So grab my trend line tool and draw a trend line. So now here now I'm seeing that there is a very big momentum push above my trend line here. There is a very big momentum push above my trend line here, which means that this particular trend line has been broken. Now here now on the trend line, I have a support zone, which is this. So this is my support and resistance zone, and market happens to turn on and use this particular resistance as a support here. So which means this trend line is no more holding, so market is changing trend. So that's why I was able to change my trend and pick up this particular trade as a buy trade. So you can see, because of my knowledge of market structure, I was able to spot this particular sniper entry. Okay, this is a very particular good trade. So if I can close my trade right now and find another trade, this in a 1 minute time frame, I can find like 3-4 trades in a day. So you see, because of the knowledge of market structure. So you need the knowledge of market structure. So if you want to learn about market structure, you can join my private mentorship channel, or you can follow this particular channel, because I'll drop a video about market structure here on my channel. Just be subscribed to the channel so that you'll be able to know when I drop such video. So without wasting time, let me show you this indicator setting. This is simple stochastic oscillator. So this indicator that I'm using over here, this indicator is a stochastic oscillator, but I'll show you my own settings of stochastic oscillator. So if you have been following my trades lately, you already know the settings. So let me show you the settings. So if your mobile phone is in landscape mode, just touch your screen and you're going to see something like this. You're going to see something like this. You click on it. So once you click there, you're just going to land on this page. In your own case, your page will be empty. Then you click on this place. Then once you click on there, you find stochastic oscillator. You scroll and find the stochastic oscillator. So you see, this is the stochastic oscillator. So once you click on it, I'll show you the settings. Here are the settings. The K period is 14, D period 3, slowing 3. Then you scroll down again. Then the field is high, low, high. Method is simple. Then you scroll down. The levels are 20 and 80. Then you scroll down. The stripes, you choose any color of your choice. You choose any color of your choice. Main color, this I call this my main color, my signal line. Now if you want your line to be in a dotted line, you choose this, and if you want it to be in a straight line, you choose this. Then if you want it to be bold, you increase it here. Then if you don't want it to be bold, you leave it there. So let me show you. If I increase here now, it will be, the line will be bolder, but I leave it as it is. So now you now touch here, they say signal. That is where you can now change that black line, my own black line. You can change it to your own color. So just you note that. Then you can also change it. You can see that this particular one, it is in a bold line. That is why you notice that my black line is in a straight line, but the red line is in a dotted line. So you are seeing how you can do it. So once you are done, you click here on save, and once you click on save, you're going to see exactly this, your chart in this form. So you see what I mean here. My black line here is straight line, but you get that red line is in a dotted line. So you see how I did it. So that red line, I call it my signal line. So people call it call the black line their signal line, but I call the red line my signal line. So the red line gives me signal. Once it crosses the black line, that is when I get a signal. So that is how it is. So if you have watched this video to this point, I want you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that when I drop any video like this, you get notified. Don't forget to like and share this video, and if you have any question, you drop it in the comment section. I will answer you. If you have encountered any difficulty, you drop it in the comment section. I will answer you. I answer to all questions. So thank you for watching this video to this point, and I will see you on my next video.